What's going on, you guys? So it's New Year's Eve, not New Year's Eve, sorry, Christmas Eve, and it's really gloomy out and cloudy, which I absolutely love, but I've been feeling a lot under the weather lately within the last day or two, and so I've been sneezing, I've been coughing, my voice sounds different, and it's all bad, but nonetheless, it's Christmas Eve, it's time to be happy. I have a 100-foot roll of HP5 inside of the bulk loader that I need to finish up. I have a new shipment of a bunch of empty film canisters that I'm going to go ahead and load into there, so I'm going to go do that, and we'll go ahead and get on with the rest of the day. So it looks like we finally finished up the roll. Gotta pull the leader out of this one, but yep, successful first roll of bulk loading. Merry Christmas, Mike.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Reese. Merry Christmas out there. Go, 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 go. Mom. Merry Christmas. Love you. Alright, Grandpa. It's your spotlight. Go. Let's go. Grandpa. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Love you.
In the one-horse sleigh, giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock.
Woo! God, I just realized I hate the taste of beer. Alright, you guys, so this is the moment you've all been waiting for. I announced it in my previous video and on Instagram a couple of times, but now we're gonna go ahead and announce the giveaway. So last week we hit 7,000 subscribers here on KingJvpes, and it's an absolute blessing to be able to make videos for you guys. And so it was nearing Christmas time, and so I thought to myself, why not do a Christmas giveaway? Now, first and foremost, I'm going to show you guys the prizes first, and then I'm going to show you guys how to enter and be entered with it and all the deadlines and dates. So this giveaway is going to have a total of 2 different prizes. Second place will receive this Minolta point and shoot. This is the Minolta Freedom Zoom 115 date. Now, I've been meaning to shoot with this for the last couple months, but I haven't really had time to, nor have I had, you know, the motivation to go shoot it. And so it's been sitting on my wall for a minute, and you know, why not give it away? So Minolta gang, this one's for you guys. It's a dope little compact point and shoot, will fit around your neck. And yeah, who needs a stylus epic when you have Minolta Freedom Zoom 115? So that is second place prize. Also, you guys will win 1 roll of HP5, not the whole brick, just 1 roll. So second place, the Minolta point and shoot, and 1 roll of HP5. Now for first place, the winner will receive a Minolta XG7 with a 35mm 2.8. The 35 is the one I use on all my Minoltas, and so I might as well just give it away. It's not a big issue, so Minolta gang, this is for you again. As you guys can see, this camera does work. Let me go ahead and switch it on here. You will also receive another roll of HP5. Not the whole brick again, just 1 roll. And so those are the prizes. You're gonna get a Minolta XG7 for first place, and second place will get a Minolta point and shoot. So Minolta gang, like I said, this one's for you. Alright, so now how to enter. It's really easy and it's super simple. All you have to do is, one, follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is the same thing as my YouTube channel, KingJvpes, so it's a really easy transition over there. Just type it on Instagram, KingJvpes. Number 2, all you have to do is post a photo on Instagram. It could be about anything, either street photography work, black and white, color, it really doesn't matter. All I want you to do is hashtag it Minolta Gang, and that's it. So once you hashtag Minolta Gang, I will go ahead and look through all of those. I'm gonna select 2 pictures at random. It's not really based on skill or composition of whether I like the photo or not. Like I said, it's gonna be completely random. So anybody has a chance, but you guys only get a total of 3 entries. That's it, super simple. Super easy. Follow me on Instagram at KingJvpes, post a photo, any photo, hashtag it Minolta Gang, and then we'll go ahead and select the winner. Now the deadline for posting photos is January 10th, so it's gonna go all throughout Christmas week and then through New Year's as well. And on January 11th, I'll go ahead and make a video announcing the winners, the 2 winners of the cameras, and then the giveaway will be over. So that's it, super simple. Follow those 2 steps and you'll be on your way to winning one of those cameras right there. Pow. Okay, so we're back home from SF and we have fun out there. You have fun? I think you should have fun, but I was out there shooting with the Canon A-1 with the 51.4, and so the images were all shot with color film. I didn't get to the HP5 that I was supposed to shoot, but if there are images in there that I like, sometimes what I'll do is I'll go ahead and shoot those, or not shoot them, but edit them in black and white. And so if you guys want to see some of those photos, I highly suggest you check out KingJvpesphoto.com, which is my website. On there I post photos from shoots that I do, street stuff, and all my work goes into that website. A lot of stuff will be happening as well, new merchandise, different prints, and I'm actually working on a blog entry as we speak. So I don't know if you guys can see that here, but shoot, yeah, that's not that great, but that's the blog that I'm working on right here. The Essentials of Film Photography, which is just a short little guide of stuff that you're gonna need to basically go from not shooting film to starting to shoot film. So a list of everything that you will need. So by the time this video is uploaded, that blog should be up and running. So I definitely highly recommend you guys check out my website again, KingJvpesphoto.com. So just to recap, once again, the giveaway is now live, so go ahead and start following those things. All it is just following me on my Instagram at KingJvpes, as well as posting a photo and hashtagging it Minolta Gang. And like before, we're gonna do this completely random, so it's not based on skill set or whether this photo has better composition than the other. It's more of just who gets lucky at that particular time and day. Keep in mind, you guys, you only have 3 entries and 3 entries only, so no more than 3. If you are over 3 photos, we will check. You will be disqualified, unfortunately. But that's gonna wrap it up, you guys. I hope you enjoyed another episode here on KingJvpes. As always, it's been JP, Drew, and Minolta Gang, baby. Yeah.